Well, Patriots don't panic. And I knew that I just had to bring back our good friend Troy Noonan, the backpack trader and market expert, to help put things in perspective for us. Troy, welcome back. And if you would, just give us a sense of how you're seeing things from your vantage point. What should everyone out there be aware of in terms of what's happening?
Hello to you, Dr. Steve. Thank you for having me back. I always enjoy speaking with you. First of all, it's easy to overreact. These sort of things happen from time to time, and usually there's cycles that occur. In this case, and I'm not an expert on, there's so much we don't know in the world, right? We know what we hear on the news. We know what we can read and research and search the internet and find out stuff and how much of it's true and how much of it isn't. I look at the prices. I look at the charts. I read what the price action tells me, because the price is always the collective. It's trying to find its value, and it's based on the collective wisdom of everyone in the market.
Mm-hmm. So what do you think the average patriot out there should be doing to get ahead of these trends?
So I would say, learning how to trade is a good thing to have, because this always comes up. And you and I have talked about this in the past. I used to say it's never been more important to know how to make money from home, to have an extra way to make money. Like if something happens to your job, your health, your whatever, the banks, or you have a way to make money by knowing how to trade. And I used to say it's never been a better time after every single possible calamity that's going to happen. But in truth is, there's never been a better time, right. But that's always the case. It's
right.
Like it's never been a better time. Here's a way to look at it. Let me ask you a question. I'll interview you on this one question. When do you think the best time to plant a tree is?
Ooh. Yesterday.
That's a good guess. My father told me this years ago, and it reminded me when I bought my house and was fixing my backyard up 20 years ago. But the second best time to plant a tree is
right now.
Right now.
Yeah. Well, you have a wonderful training. I've been privy to these trainings, and I will be again. You have one coming up, so this might be just the impetus that people need to just bite the bullet and just learn these principles and start practicing trading and start making some real money, real cash. So tell us about the training that you have coming up.
Yeah, so it's called Backpack Trader Live, and we talk about how to develop a trading regimen so that you have the freedom that trading can give you. Backpack Trader stands for the freedom you get from successfully trading. And it doesn't mean you have to sit and look at your computer all day long. That's the wrong way to trade. I just told you about a trade plan that lasted like a couple minutes.
Right.
And if you could carve out an hour a day or less, sometimes you hit your goals really fast. You could have a day trading plan that can make a big difference for you. So we're talking about that. We're also talking about slower trades for people that work and want to learn how to swing trade. But the idea is you can get to that point where you develop a level of freedom for yourself so that you can have that backpack trader lifestyle, whatever that means to you.
Excellent, gang. You got to sign up for this. This is your opportunity to really start controlling your financial future. Just click on the link below. You can sign up. Join me and Troy together on the Backpack Trader Lifestyle webinars that he has. They are wonderful. They are one Turley talkers. Love them, and you're going to love them. So make sure you click on that link below. Well, Troy, thank you so much for helping to make sense of what's going on here. They're crazy times indeed, but with your expertise, you help to bring a bit more stability to the turbulence. I can't thank you enough for that.
Well, I appreciate being on again. I always love talking with you, Dr. Steve.